In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize Steam Remote Play so you can get smoother gameplay, better video quality, and less lag, even on slower internet connections. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam, then select Settings. From the left menu, click on Remote Play. Make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on. This allows Steam to stream games between devices. Now click on Advanced Client Options. Here's where the optimization happens. Set video resolution to automatic if your internet is unstable. If you have fast internet, you can choose 1080p for better quality. Next, change video bandwidth limit to automatic or manually lower it if you experience lag or stuttering. Turn on hardware decoding. This reduces CPU usage and improves performance. If you're using Wi-Fi, enable Prioritize Network Traffic to reduce input delay. Now go back and click Advanced Host Options. Turn on Enable Hardware Encoding for smoother streaming. Also enable Use NVENC, AMD, or Intel encoding if your GPU supports it. For the best experience, connect both devices using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Finally, close settings and restart Steam to apply all changes. And that's how you optimize Steam Remote Play for smoother and more stable gameplay. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.